Hi everyone, how to remove hard drive from ACER Spy 3 laptop. Removing the hard drive from your ACER Spy 3 laptop involves several steps. Here's a general guide to assist you. Power off and unplug, shut down your laptop completely, disconnect all cables including the power adapter. Remove the battery. If your model has a removable battery, slide the battery release latch to detach it. Access the hard drive. Place the laptop upside down on a soft surface. Locate the hard drive compartment cover. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the cover. Gently pry open the cover using a plastic opening tool. Disconnect and remove the hard drive. Carefully slide the hard drive out to disconnect it from the SATA connector. Lift the hard drive out of the bay. Caution: laptop components are delicate. Handle all parts with care to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.